car enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, the 2018 Audi A3 Cabriolet convertible. This stylish and elegant convertible offers a unique blend of luxury, performance, and open-air driving. Let's dive in. Starting with the exterior, the Audi A3 Cabriolet showcases a timeless design. Its sleek lines, signature single-frame grille, and LED headlights give it a modern and sophisticated look. And of course, there's the soft top roof that can be operated at speeds of up to 31 mph, allowing you to enjoy that open-air driving experience with ease. Just step inside, and you'll be greeted by a well-crafted interior. The cabin is beautifully appointed with high-quality materials and excellent build quality. The comfortable leather seats, a user-friendly infotainment system, and a virtual cockpit add to the premium experience. Now let's talk about performance. The 2018 Audi A3 Cabriolet comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that delivers 220 horsepower paired with a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission. It's not only spirited, but also handles with precision. The Quattro all-wheel drive provides excellent traction, making it a great year-round convertible. In terms of features, Audi doesn't disappoint. You get an impressive list of tech, including a 7-inch infotainment display, smartphone integration, and advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring. It's a perfect blend of luxury and practicality. So what's it like to drive? All is an absolute joy. Like the Audi A3 Cabriolet offers a smooth, comfortable ride, and with the top down, the driving experience is exhilarating. The suspension strikes a nice balance between comfort and sportiness, making it ideal for long cruises and spirited drives alike. In conclusion, the 2018 Audi A3 Cabriolet convertible is a fantastic choice if you're in the market for a luxury convertible. It combines the prestige of the Audi brand with an open-air driving experience, impressive performance, and a well-appointed interior. If you're looking for a compact convertible with a touch of class, the A3 Cabriolet, that should be on your radar. Launch year, this car is available at just $4,475,000, which is single-owner car and has done only 16,000 cams. That's it for our review of the 2018 Audi A3 Cabriolet convertible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and automotive content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the road.